Welcome to AER Int channel and welcome back to Surfacing course. In this lecture, we're gonna show how we can define the relation between the existing surface, this one, and the new surface filled surface that we create here. So we have this 3D surface and we want to fill this opening here. So let's go to Surfaces tab and let's choose Filled Surface. Here for page boundary, let's choose this edge. And now let's click OK. And this is the result that we got. Now we want to evaluate this surface to see if the surface is smooth enough. If we like the results, we can go to Evaluate. And here we have curvature. And now we see that this, here, this is not something that we want. So we are not satisfied with this surface. If we go back to our surface fill, right click and edit. Here we have curvature control. So now we're gonna show how we can control our curvature. So we have a contact relation between this filled surface and existing surface. And when we have a contact relation, this is coincident relation. And now as we see, the coincident relation doesn't give us a good result. So we can change here by clicking here. And here we have two other options. We have tangent and curvature. Let's try with the tangent. And let's click OK. Now as we see, we got a little bit better results. Now we have tangent relation between this surface, existing surface, and this new surface. But this is still maybe not what we are looking for, but this is much better now. We can see the continuation of the colors over those surfaces. But we have the third option, and that's curvature. Let's go back to surface fill, edit, and here we have curvature. That means that we take curvature from the existing surface and we put this curvature to the new surface, filled surface. So let's click OK. And now let's see what kind of result that we got. And this is much better. So we have a continuation here, here, and here. So this is much better than contact. And tangent was also much better than contact. So with contact, tangent, and curvature, we can control our result of our surface. But if we want to get a better result over the filled surface, we can use constraint curve. So here we have some curves, as we see this one. And we are gonna use this curve to control our filled surface. Let's uncheck this. And let's go back to our surface fill. Let's edit. Let's put here contact. We can also go with tangent curvature, but let's try first with contact. And here we have constraint curve, so let's open this. And here we have to choose constraint curves. Let's click here, and let's choose this curve. Now if we look at the preview, and now we can see that this curve guides our surface. So this curve defines the shape of our surface. Let's click OK. And now we got something like this shape. We can also change the shape of our curve, and then we're gonna have a different shape of our surface. So for example, if we go to this sketch, right click, we can move those points up, like this for example. And let's click OK. Let's exit the sketch. And now we have a surface like this. We can also go to edit sketch again. And we can move this to the other side. Like this. Let's exit sketch. And now this is our filled surface. Let's go to surface fill, right click, edit feature. And let's try with tangent. Now as we see, tangent here is not possible because of the geometry of our curve. And if we try curvature, it's also not possible because of the geometry. But now if we modify our curve, then also we can use tangent and curvature as well. But now let's go with contact. And let's go with merge result. Let's merge those two surfaces. And let's click OK. So with contact, tangent and curvature, we can control our fill surface. As well, we can create another curve to use this curve as a guide curve to define the shape of our fill surface. We use fill surface for small areas, for small openings, where results are not really important. Because by using fill surface, we are losing control over a surface. We have a better control, for example with boundary surface. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like. I hope it can be a little helpful and useful.
Sanche